Hello and welcome. My name is Austin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio or music to your video using CapCut. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are inside CapCut, and let's assume that you are done with your video and you now want to add audio or music to your video clip. Okay, it's a simple thing. You have to open your CapCut, then go to project and click on project. Then you have to enter your project. I've already added my video clips in this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 different methods you can use to add audio or music to your video. Okay, the first method is to come to this on the home page, or once you install the project, you come to this button bar here, you look for audio. This is audio. You click on audio, then you click on sounds. When you click on sound, it will take you to CapCut Audio Library. Okay, so there are a whole lot of music that CapCut have. Now you can select any of these music and use it for your own project. Okay, so you can just click on any of them and preview it. Let me click on this one. Okay, you can preview it. Okay, then after that you can also click on any other one. Let's say this I click on this particular one. Once you click on it, the audio is going to play and you can preview what it looks like. Okay, let's look for another one. Now there are different categories here inside CapCut. So you have reggae, you have funk, you have vlog. So let me just click on vlog, and let's see the various music they have inside vlog. Okay, again, anyone you like, and just click on them to preview it. As you can see, this one is started playing. If I don't want it, I'll pause it. Let me click on another one. Now, the moment you have found the particular music that you want, you just have to click on this plus icon here, and it will be added to your music, okay, to your video. Now, I decided to mute the volume of this audio because CapCut, I don't want YouTube to give me a YouTube strike, you understand? Now, YouTube strike is when you use an audio or a music that is not permitted on YouTube, okay? They can give you a copyright strike, so my video will be banned because some of the music in CapCut is not allowed on YouTube, you understand? So, but this is how you can add it to your own video project, okay? So, let's go back. Now, the second method is, let's say you have a particular music in your device, maybe if a music you have downloaded from Google or from anywhere and you want to use it to a project, okay? So it is a similar method. You go back again to audio, you click on sound. But this time around, you have to click on this icon that looks like File Manager. This File Manager icon over here, you click on it. Then you now click on device. This one says device. That way it will show you all the music that you have inside your device. Okay, then if you are looking for a particular music, you can just click on the search bar here and type the name of that music. Okay, so let me just search for one particular music that I use. It's called Sailing. Here is the music. The moment you have found the particular music you want, just have to click on it and preview it to start playing. Okay, once you're okay with that, you have to click on this plus icon here and the music will be added to your video. Okay, then the last method is actually a similar method. Just click on sound again, click on the music, the File Manager icon, but this time around I have to click on this one that says extracted. Instead of clicking on device, click on this place that says extract. Now, this method allows you to extract the music from a particular video. Let's say you have a particular video clip downloaded from Google, from YouTube, and you like the audio in that video, or you like the music in that video, and you want to extract that music from that video to use in your own project. This is how you can do it. You have to click on this one says extract audio from video. You click on it, then it will take you to the video where you want the music to be extracted. Okay, so let's assume that this is the music. You don't have to click on it. This is the video that I click on it, then click on add. Okay, and just within a few seconds the audio has been extracted from the video already. You can click on it and preview it. Okay, once you're okay with that, you have to click on the plus icon and the music will be added to your video. Okay, like I said before, I decided to turn off the volume of this audio to avoid YouTube giving me a copyright strike. Okay, So let's assume that you have now added your favorite music to your video. The other thing you can do is to edit the volume. Okay, now let's assume that you have a video where at the beginning of the video you want the volume to be high, then in the middle when you are speaking you want the volume to be low, and then towards the end when you are done speaking you want the volume to be high. Okay, let me repeat it. I said let's assume that you have a video where at the beginning you want the volume to be high, in the middle when you are speaking in the video you want the volume to be low, and then towards the end you want the volume to be high. So you want to do a high, low, high on the volume. It's very simple. What you have to do is to come, this is your audio clip you have added. You have to move your playhead to where you want the intro to end. That is the beginning of the video where you want the volume to be high. You want to click on, move your playhead to that place. Then have to click on split. So I can split the audio clip at that place. So let's assume this is place. I'll click on one split. They have to move your playhead to the place where you want the main video clip to end. Okay. And then let's assume it is this place. I have to click on split. You understand? Then the last part is at the end of the video where you are done speaking. So you now have three different parts of the video. The beginning where before you start speaking, you want the volume to be high. In the middle when you are speaking, you want the volume to be low. And then towards the end when you are done speaking, you want the volume to be high again. So you now have three different audio sections. This is the first part. So since we want the volume to be high in this place, you can go click on it, click on volume. You can take the volume to say 200. Okay, 200. Click on this check mark. Alright, then this middle part where we want the volume to be low, you have to click on it, click on volume, and you take the volume to a very low level, because now when you are speaking in the video, you want the background music to be very low, so you don't overshadow the main audio. Okay, let's take it to like 13. So you click on the check mark. Then you go to the end of the video when we are done speaking, you click on that section, click on volume. We also take it to a high level like 200. Okay, so you're going to have a high, low, high on the audio. Understand? This is how you can do it. Okay, then the last thing you can do is to trim your audio to end exactly where your video clip ended, because sometimes after you have added audio to your music to a video, you notice that the audio is longer than the clip. For instance, in this case, this is where my video ended. In this project video I'm making, this is where the video ended at 13 seconds. Okay, but then the audio is over 2 minutes long, so I need to trim off the excess part. I just have to move my playhead to the end of the video, which is this place. I'll click on the audio clip I added, click on split, then have to delete this excess part. Select it, click on delete. Okay, so and that is how you can add music or audio to your video project. Now I have a comprehensive smartphone video editing masterclass where I show you exactly how to create and edit high quality videos using just your smartphone under my mentorship. I'll leave the link to this training in the description of this video, so go ahead and get access to this training. You can also watch other CapCut related videos I've done before now using the link in the description. And that's it for this video. I believe you got value from it, so make sure you click on the subscribe button so I don't miss my subsequent videos. Also click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people like you, and then you can get my comprehensive smartphone video editing masterclass that shows you exactly how to edit high quality videos using your smartphone, and then use the link in the description. And so I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.